Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, I come here today to cover a few topics because the one Andrew Owens are going with too much, my wisdom warriors. But first, I'm going to start off with the youth. Want to remember this youth, Roshane Taylor? May I tell her. I feel it for the youth, my wisdom warriors, because the youth is still out trying to save in business, The youth is still out trying to save his business, and all now Andrew Owens now reach out to him. Remember, then tell the youth, say, he must lift up from the say, within 30 days. And the youth spend over 4.5 million at that place there, So, tension is rising between the Trelawney Municipal Corporation and businessman Roshane Taylor over the placement of his storefront along the highway in Hague. Taylor, the sole proprietor of the Trelawney-based companies, are Taylor Together Forever Builders Construction Limited and Taylor Nation Molding and Decor, told the newspaper that he was served a cease and desist notice from the municipality approximately 2 weeks ago. My wisdom warriors, this youth is fighting for keeping business. The youth spent over $4.5 million on his business. And the youth just started a month ago. And the government wanting to lift up. So, me want to know, the government, you not going to give the youth back in 4.5 million? Because, you see in this country, my wisdom warriors, poor people can't go survive. Underneath Andrew Owens administration, poor people are going to turn workless. Remember, the youth have about 50 workers, I wonder if you don't know that. About 50 workers the youth have. So right now, 50 people are going out of job. Honestly, when I try showing about this Andrew Owens administration, honestly, when I try showing you and I tell you all the while about this man, the poor are going to get poorer underneath Andrew Owens. Watch. This man, the youth reach out to Andrew Owens. I say it, I say the wrong person this brother reach out to, And them people are thief land, and this brother I reach out to Andrew. Me I say Mark Golding he should reach out to. You understand? At least Mark Golding would fight it, would look into it. The Labour Party they no business with you, my youth. And me really feel a pain, Me really feel a pain. Me don't know where you go do, I hope they have a change of heart. But you already say 2 politicians come there and ask for sell a place and you say no, that's why you start to have this problem. Them people, they are wicked. Andrew Owens administration are wicked. They don't care about Jamaican people. You can't imagine. And enough more people are going to lose them business this way. Remember me telling you, a lot more people. Time are going to come where people living at their house and them going to tell the people them say them are going to mash down their house. You not going to see. Yeah, and remember, say Andrew start do that already, I calm him, calm down, I calm down because he realize the people them a fight against him. So he calm down. But wait, if you ever make a mistake and make Jamaica Republic underneath Andrew Owens watch, dog are gonna nyam on supper. You hear me? Dog are gonna nyam on supper. But you tell me what you think about this because the youth still a fight for stay there. Can the man spend over 4.5 million? 4.5 million enough money, We know say to Andrew Owens a little bit of money that can take taxpayer money and do anything he want to do. And nobody enough to say nothing to him. And the people, they enough to talk. Jamaican people enough to come out and talk. If Jamaican people come out and talk, you see the little idiot labor right them come and cuss. Me can't understand these labor rights. Talking about Andrew Owens doing good. You don't say Andrew Owens a chopper and a thief taxpayer money. You don't see that? Land. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors, me no know whether you are going to do, Jano. I hope he reach out to Mark Golding. And see what he can do. Brother, somebody tag him there. Make him hear what me have to say. Brother, if you hear me, I'm the wrong person. I wrong person. Yeah, ask for have mercy upon you. Ah, Jesus. You better go link Mark Golden. You hear what me tell you? Okay. My wisdom warriors gonna tell me what to think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Here, this Tax Administration Jamaica is to clarify the nearly 1 billion it plans to spend. My wisdom warriors, on a year me come over here other day and was talking about it, about the $474 million where they must spend on unoccupied building. The reason why me I bring this back up, because we need to stay upon top of things. It's like these things, how the government a chop the taxpayer money, we need to talk more about these things. You understand me? All right. So, for Andrew Holness administration, taking $474 million, giving it, paying it out to somebody, they don't even use the building. We want to know who the building belongs to. We want to know who owned the building, you know. We want to know why you can't tell we are who own the building. We take we taxpayer money and I give it to people. We have all right for know. We all right for know. We have all right for know who owns the building. And I want the CRC to look into the Procurement Act. I want you guys to review the Procurement Act because it is not fair for people can come borrow taxpayer money or people get paid with taxpayer money and we the taxpayer do not have a clue who I get paid. No Sankey can sing so. No Sankey can sing so. And on top of that, the government is planning to spend 1 billion retrofitting. You know me can't bother with uno. You know want 1 billion to go fix up people building. 1 billion, you know what 1 billion could do? 1 billion could build a clinic, you know. 1 billion can do other things, you know. My wisdom warriors. Medication need to be in the hospital, you know. Equipment need to be in the hospital. Other day, you say only what? 3 no X-ray machine you could buy. That the 1 billion they could buy more things, you know. Ah, Jesus. Me tell you about Andrew Holness. You know, so this is a trick though, my wisdom warriors. Yes, it's true. They know, so the Procurement Act, it is a trick. Look into it. Read between the lines. They know, say, the Procurement Act protect the name, the owner of the person who owned the building. This is what the Procurement Act do. So the government can do as them like, do as them please, you understand, and get away with it. Because as far as me see, any politician, just like the man when he am Norman done, me can't remember, you know. But just like the man, we don't have St. Mary, we have film building. Yeah? And him did own the building and we find out say him own one of the building. And him did get how much money. Him get how much money. Wanna see how it go do? So guess what me I said to you now? They can use the Procurement Act as a shield. And this is what they're doing, I believe. It seems like that's what they're doing. So they use it and say, all right then, if Rick and Harry and Sharon, a politician or a MP and they own the building there, we can name a food, you know. Yes, man. So guess what? Rick and Sharon, guess what we are going to do? It's true because the Procurement Act did a shield, we brother. This is what we're going to do. We are going to just say, all right, we rent the building, but we're not going to occupy it, you know. And we're going to send over some millions. And then we just take mine and give you a fair cut. And that them I do. I chop my wisdom warriors. Come on. I hustle them, I hustle. You don't see what I go on. Scammer them there. Hey, Lord Jesus, we want to get rid of them. And that them I do. You don't see what I go on. Blows and skirt. Then tough. And then use the Procurement Act as a shield. We need the Procurement Act to be reviewed. I'm calling on Mark Golden, look into the Procurement Act. I don't believe it is right for taxpayer to be paying out money and we don't have a clue who the money I go to. I think that is totally unfair. It is not right. If a son no want money and no want payment, we have all right to know how we are pay. Of course. But my wisdom warriors, they can't do that. Because they know they cannot do that. The government can't do that. The government knows that them a chop. So them get away with them choppings, you know. Yes, I notice the MP them have a own building. And when they own a building now, they just use that. The procurement is a shield. The procurement protect them name. So then just say them a rent it for 3 years, or them a rent it for 2 years, pay out some money, and then can change their mind. So then can chop it. They can chop out the money easily. It need to stop. It need to stop. And it need to stop now. They must stop me a wickedness, you know. Una sister Jamaican people need the money. You better only take the money and get to some people who need it. A lot of people cannot find a night dinner. A lot of people can't even feed them pitney. You better only take it and give it to the people them at Jamaica then. Every week, every 2 weeks, give it to some baby mothers can't even find food. Come on, help the kids them. The last time I checked, Bob's Grange get over 31 million from Canada. Yeah, late last year, I think maybe October, November. And I'll know me not hear what Babsy Granger do with that the money there. And when she received that money, me come over here and show you it. When she received it, yeah, that money was for vulnerable people in Jamaica. And I'll know me not hear Babsy Grange come out. Me not hear nothing read out in the budget and say Babsy Grange they receive certain amount and this is what they're going to put it to. Nothing. That the 31 million, they're gone. You see, all of them need to call for your audit. And right now, I want the government to stop chopping the people. That is not right. Too much of our people in Jamaica is suffering. Too much people is suffering. You understand me? And it is not right. That is not nice, Andrew Honest, what you're doing. You need to stop it, uno government. And the 1 billion where they say they want, where they want to use, hey, that now go happen. Cut that out. Take with that. Stop that. Put a stop into it. Stop it completely. Uno now use building. But you pay out 474 million for and plus on top of it 1 billion. You know say no government now go give normal somebody them the money there. Something all right. We need to check out. We have to investigate this. We have to go investigate this deeper. Yeah. I'm gonna go deep with this. Yeah. I have to find out who own that the building there. No, sir. This not right. This not safe. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what to think about this. Because what the government is doing is so wrong. What the government doing is so wrong. And a lot of people are saying, oh, like opposition leader if come out and say, come me tell you something. Opposition leader can't do much without the people them have to come out too, because Mark Golding is Mark Golding a like where happen. Mark Golding attack. One want Mark Golding for the shout and go on like a hooligan like Andrew. No, he's not going to do that. One thing with Mark Golding, he just follow rules and regulation and follow law. So if I quote it, I figure I just saw the thing set. It does have to be professional. When you know say Marky G is a respectable, honorable man, you understand? And that is not him. To be shouting and act like a hag and go to Andrew Wellness that. When you know you attack your man say Andrew Wellness still at the thieving boy from Spanish Town. He come like you don't know what go on. Hey, my wisdom warriors, me say talk your mind, make me laugh, me love talk your mind still boy. But a lot of people, you know, wouldn't say talk your mind disrespectful. Because me hear people say that, people coming in the comment section and saying that. And because him say Andrew Wellness still at the thieving boy at Spanish Town. You know no difference when you say them a criminal. You just say it a little bit better, make it sound a little bit nicer. But really and truly, you remember, so we are all Jamaicans. Apart where we chat. So we have to talk it like it is. Yeah. Right there, sir. Because he is chopping the Jamaican money. You know that. You know that. You know that, and then they use the Procurement Act to shield themselves. And that is totally wrong. Nigel Clark, you think you get where? You need to come and explain why you release them money here. And that you need to come. From when nobody not hear for your name in the media, you know. Yeah? You is a part of this, you know, Nigel Clark. You is a part of this. You don't know about this. You have to know who release money. You have to know about it. They have to let you know about it. You understand me? You have to. You have to know about it. And you have to stop it. You have to stop steal from poor people. Imagine people have to work hard, and then pay a tax. And they're not even getting the benefits they're supposed to get. It is not right. The hospital need medication, resources, equipment, a lot of things needed. in the healthcare system. And nothing is getting done. And then you have our Prime Minister going around and flaunting Jamaican money all over the world. You understand? Because they spent 24 million on a CCJ that is not benefiting the Jamaican people. So I don't understand. Andrew Holness is a hypocrite. Because you're taking Jamaican taxpayer money, paying towards CCJ, and yet you don't want to leave the Privy Council because you get 4 million a year. Honestly, Andrew Holness, you need to let go the Privy Council too. And just because it benefit you and your family, that's why you're still there. But you know why you can't even let it go. Can't take out my wisdom warriors. We just have to get rid of Andrew. Andrew have to just come out of House of Parliament. Clean sweep. Yes, man. Him have to lift up a full time now. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.